Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. It looks so different in here because we have the side walls up. Wow, this is so cool. Look at that. Neat. I think someone left their wallet here. Oh my goodness. Someone left their wallet here. They must have ran out of here in a hurry. Tool belts. So the door will be in tomorrow. This is the last of the doors here. This one right here. Oh, we got our stairs in too. Looky there.
Go to that.
Yeah, the garage really looks finished now. That's nice. Well, since it's almost complete, what do you think? Do you have any comments about anything? Or?
It's hot up here.
Yeah, it's a little toasty, but
It don't look nearly as massive now.
no, it definitely looks more closed in. Yeah, you're right. It's not as massive.
Not massive.
Mm-hmm. Because before it looked huge. Mm-hmm.
Often have some metal in it or whatever.
I really like the look of it.
I mean, they could even finish the bottom of it with drywall.
So yeah, it looks like we have a little boo-boo in the screen from the contractor. So I don't know if they just knocked it with something. Ask them to fix it. We finally have our door! Woohoo! It's only 10 days late.
On the last day of construction.
Yep, I think his last day's tomorrow. Well, you can't really see it very well, but we'll get a better look once they open the cardboard. Here's a sneak peek. Side light, door. I really want it to be black though. Probably gonna have to paint it. We got our garage doors in today. They look spectacular. Still got to get our stone accent pieces up here. That's why we're missing this part. Should be going to get that this weekend. This one's missing a piece of rubber. So I don't know if they just didn't have it or if they forgot it or...